Are we live yet?
We are.
All right. That's a good one. This is the first time that we are walking this house. We did see pictures, did close on it. We're about to take a look inside and see what we have, but look around. This is a fantastic neighborhood. We have big yards. Houses are all in great shape. Definitely a strong odor in the house of smoke, but wow, relatively great shape. This is fantastic. This house was built in the 90s, and this is a great house. Hey, look at this. We've got laminate tops with a wood edge. That was so 90s. So we'll have new countertops. Cabinets are in great shape. They are oak. They do have the little arch on top. That's definitely a dated look. We have more transitions of colored carpet. We have windows again in great shape in each room. Man, walls are in great shape. Ceilings, light fixtures have been updated. Wallpaper is not a friend. That will be difficult, but tub is in good shape. Clean it up. But overall, fantastic house. Super excited about this one now. Head down into the basement. The entryway is in good shape. Needs paint on the ceiling, some patching where the light strips were. I see drop ceilings throughout the entire basement. I don't see any damage, any mold spots on the walls. Great living space down here. Needs a clean out as usual. Bathroom I'm a little disappointed in just because we got the, what we call that, a mauve. Sink, toilet, and shower. That's always fun. Again, another great space. Definitely spent some time smoking in here. Things aren't yellow. The lights are yellowed out, but the ceiling tiles look okay. This is very odd. Windows and a door into the laundry room. Walkout basement with a nice backyard, nice deck. Little fireplace pit. Deck needs a little power washing and work. That stuff is easy. We will get a dumpster in the driveway and get guys in here immediately because the clock is ticking on our private money from the lenders that we use to close on these deals fast, and we will be able to turn this house around and hopefully probably 30, 35 days, somewhere around there, back on the market, done.